Hello students, welcome to maths lecture. So in the last lecture we have started our practice set 34. In that we have completed till question number 3. Today we will be starting from question number 4. So let us read. Cost price of 50 kg grain rupees 2000. Selling price rupees 43 per kg. Okay, in this question only two information are being given. So the cost price of 50 kg grain is 2000 and selling price is rupees 43 per kg. Now in the previous lecture I have taught you how to frame the problem based on the given information. Okay, so you can take any of the grain, rice, wheat, jawar, bajra, anything. Okay, I'm just showing you the how to solve the sum. Okay, so the cost price of 50 kg grain is rupees 2000 and the selling price of 1 kg is 43 rupees. They have given you selling price is rupees 43 per kg. Per kg means selling price of 1 kg grain is rupees 43. So first we have to find out the selling price of 50 kg. Therefore selling price of 50 kg grain is equal to 50 into 43. So selling price of 50 kg grain is rupees 2150. Okay, we have to first find out whether it is a profit or whether it is a loss, and then we have to find out the profit or loss percent. Now here selling price is greater than cost price, so it is a profit. Therefore profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price 2150 minus cost price 2000. Your profit is rupees 150. Now we got the profit of rupees 150. We have to find out the profit percent. So let the profit percent be X%. So therefore X% is equal to X upon 100 is equal to profit 150 upon cost price. It is always calculated on cost price. Cost price is 2000. Therefore X is equal to cross multiplication 150 multiplied by 100 upon 2000. 0 gone. So remaining X is equal to 150 upon 20. If we divide this by 10, 10 2s are 10 15s are 15 upon 2. So 15 divided by 2 is 7.5%. So the profit earned is rupees 150 and the profit percentage is 7.5%. Okay. Let us move to next sum. Fifth one. Cost price rupees 8,600. Transport charges rupees 250. Porterage rupees 150. Selling price rupees 10,000. Okay. So now they have given you cost price, transport charges, porterage and selling price. So let us frame the problem. I will show you. This is a quite different sum. So write down the question. Samata purchased a cupboard for rupees 8,600. She paid rupees 250 as transport charges. And rupees 150 as porterage charges. They have given you selling price. Okay, you have to find out the profit or loss percent. So if she sold it for rupees 10,000, what was her profit or loss percent? So in this question they have given you various things like cost price of the article, then transport charges, porterage and the selling price. So for such kind of information you have to frame the question in this way. Okay, understood? Okay, so let's solve this sum. Cost price of a cupboard rupees, you have to write it fully. Cost price of a cupboard rupees 8,600. Then transport charges rupees 250 and porterage rupees 150. Selling price they have given rupees 10,000. You have to first find whether it is a profit or loss. So for that, first what you will do, you will add all these expenses. Transport charges, porterage charges are the expenses which are made on the cupboard. So you have to include these expenses also into the cost price. So cost price, total cost price is equal to 8,600 plus 250 plus 150. 7, 8, 9, 10. 9,000. Total cost price is rupees 9,000. Now you will find profit or loss. Here cost price is 9,000, selling price is 10,000. So again here selling price is greater, so it is a profit. You have to write here selling price is greater than total cost price, therefore it is a profit. Okay, so therefore profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, 10,000 minus 9,000 on the profit of rupees 1,000. Now profit percent. So let the profit percent be X percent. Therefore, X percent is equal to X upon 100 is equal to profit earned by Samata rupees 1000 upon cost price 9000. Therefore, X is equal to cross multiplication 1000 multiplied by 100 upon 9000. 0 0 gone. Okay. Again, if we divide this by 10, you will get the answer 100 upon 9. Okay. If we divide 100 by 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. So, 9 11s are 99 plus 100. 9 11s are 99 plus 100. So, your profit percentages is 11 and 1 upon 9%. Okay. The last one. Sixth one. Okay, it is the same type of question. So you can frame question for it. Seeds worth rupees 2500, labor rupees 9700, chemicals and fertilizers rupees 5600, and selling price is rupees 28,640. So the cost price of seeds is rupees 2500. Then the amount spent on labor is 9700, and the amount spent on chemicals and fertilizers is rupees 5600. Selling price is given 28,640. We have to find out the profit or loss percentage. So, chemicals and fertilizers rupees 5600. Selling price is rupees 28,640. First, you have to add all these expenses into the cost price. So total cost price. Total cost price is 35,800. Selling price is 28,640. Means here cost price is greater than selling price. So it is a loss. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. That is 35,800 minus 28,640. 6 1 So loss incurred is rupees 7,160. Now we have to find out the loss percentage. So let the loss percent be X percent. Therefore X percent is equal to X upon 100. That is equal to loss 7160 upon cost price 35,800. Cross multiplication, X is equal to 7160 into 100 upon 35,800. 0 0 gone. 7160 into 17160 upon 35 or 358. Now let's see that does 7160 is divisible by 358. 358 2s are 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Okay, so 7160 divided by 358. 358 2s are 716. Take down the 0, zeros are 0. So our answer is 20%. Loss incurred is rupees 7,160 and the loss percent is 20%. Okay. So in this way we have completed our practice set 34. Okay. So your homework is you have to again solve these 3 sums which we have done today into your maths notebook, and in the next lecture we will start our next chapter, that is banks and simple interest. Okay, that is very interesting lesson, okay, and very simple lesson. So we will meet in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.